Harvested logs are prepared at the source to ensure consistent quality before transport.
Each log is measured and tagged to track size, origin, and processing order.
Loaded logs are secured carefully to prevent damage during long-distance transport. Transport begins under strict load and safety controls to protect both material and crew. Every shipment enters through controlled checkpoints to maintain safety and material traceability. Digital verification ensures only approved raw materials enter the processing facility.
Precise weight measurement is recorded to manage inventory and processing flow.
Vehicles follow designated routes to safely deliver logs to the unloading area. The truck is positioned precisely to allow safe and efficient unloading of the logs. Securing hardware is released carefully to prepare logs for controlled lifting. Automated cranes secure each log to ensure stable lifting and precise placement. The log is lifted vertically to maintain balance and prevent surface damage. Logs are transferred onto ground cradles to stage them for initial processing.
Each log is visually inspected to identify defects before mechanical processing begins.
Metal detection protects cutting equipment by identifying hidden contaminants early. Approved logs are automatically routed toward the debarking stage for surface preparation. Debarking removes the outer layer to expose clean wood for precise cutting. Controlled rotation ensures uniform bark removal without damaging the timber.
Removed bark is collected separately for controlled waste handling or reuse.
Cleaned logs leave the debarking line ready for precise dimensional cutting. Surface moisture is measured to fine-tune cutting parameters for maximum accuracy. Automated alignment systems position each log precisely before the first major cut. Laser centering verifies the log's exact position to maximize yield and accuracy. The primary breakdown saw initiates the first precision cut through the log. The first cut divides the log along its length to begin controlled breakdown. The log is transformed into cants, creating flat reference surfaces for further processing. Cants are reoriented to ensure stable feeding into secondary cutting systems. Advanced scanners map each cant to calculate the most efficient cutting patterns. Software calculates optimal cuts to maximize usable lumber from every cant. The cant is fed into a secondary saw, where multiple precision cuts are performed. Parallel blades divide the cant into flitches with precise, uniform thickness.
Separated flitches are stabilized immediately to preserve dimensional accuracy.
Before edging, flitches are aligned to ensure straight, clean side cuts.
Edge trimming saws prepare to remove uneven sides for straight lumber profiles.
Edge trimming creates straight, parallel sides essential for dimensional lumber. Trim waste is separated immediately for efficient recycling and byproduct processing. Planers are set to bring each board to precise, uniform thickness. The planer removes surface irregularities to create a flat, consistent face. Both faces are planed to reach exact thickness and perfect parallelism.
Automated scanners confirm each board meets strict thickness specifications.
Optical systems inspect each surface to identify defects and grade quality. Each board is graded automatically to match it with the correct processing path.
Sorted conveyors direct lumber according to grade for specialized handling.
High-grade boards move forward toward controlled drying operations. Boards are stacked with spacers to ensure even airflow during kiln drying. Prepared stacks are transferred onto kiln carts for controlled moisture reduction. The kiln cart enters a controlled chamber designed to slowly remove internal moisture. The kiln seals shut as controlled heat and airflow begin the drying cycle. Controlled air circulation ensures consistent drying throughout the entire lumber stack. Embedded sensors track internal moisture to prevent cracking and over-drying.
The kiln transitions to cooling to stabilize lumber after moisture reduction.
Once cooled, the kiln opens to release fully dried lumber. Dried lumber exits the kiln, ready for final conditioning and finishing steps. Equalization stabilizes moisture levels to prepare lumber for precise finishing. Final scans confirm the lumber is evenly dried and ready for finishing. Boards are separated and fed individually for final machining and finishing.
Length calibration ensures every board meets standardized dimensional requirements.
End trimming creates square, uniform lengths for consistent final products. Both ends are trimmed to lock in exact, repeatable board lengths. Laser checks verify that every board's edges are perfectly square. Sanding systems are set to refine the wood surface to final smoothness. The sanding pass removes minor imperfections and prepares the surface for final inspection. Light sanding on both faces ensures uniform finish without altering dimensions. Air knives remove fine dust to leave perfectly clean, finished surfaces. Final visual checks ensure only fully compliant boards move forward. Boards with minor defects are clearly marked and diverted for corrective handling. Approved lumber is routed to packaging, where boards are organized for shipment. Boards are squared and formed into uniform bundles for secure handling. Steel strapping secures each bundle to maintain alignment during transport. Wrapped protection is prepared to shield lumber from moisture and handling damage. The bundle is wrapped tightly to protect finished lumber during storage and shipping. Each bundle is labeled clearly to ensure accurate tracking through storage and delivery. Final weight checks confirm each bundle matches shipping specifications. Finished bundles are transferred by forklift into controlled warehouse storage. Bundles move through organized warehouse aisles toward designated storage locations. Bundles are stored in high bay racks under strict load and safety controls.
Each stored bundle is digitally logged to maintain accurate inventory tracking.
A confirmed order triggers the warehouse system to release lumber for delivery. Selected bundles are retrieved safely from storage to fulfill outgoing orders. Retrieved bundles are moved to outbound staging for final dispatch preparation. Bundles are staged precisely to streamline the final loading process. Final checks confirm each bundle is fully secured and ready for transport. The loading dock is prepared to receive outgoing lumber shipments. Outbound trucks are secured at the dock to ensure safe and stable loading. The dock leveler creates a stable bridge for safe loading into the trailer. Forklifts move carefully into the trailer to position lumber securely for transit.
Bundles are positioned precisely to maintain balance and stability during transport.
Internal restraints lock the load in place to ensure safe highway transport. After securing the load, equipment exits and the trailer is cleared for departure. The trailer is sealed to protect the shipment until final delivery. Once secured and sealed, the dock is cleared to release the outbound truck. The finished lumber begins its journey from the mill to distribution channels. During transit, onboard systems monitor load conditions to ensure safe delivery.
The shipment arrives at a regional distribution hub for final allocation.
The truck docks at the distribution center to begin receiving procedures. Receiving staff secure the trailer and verify seals before unloading begins.
The trailer is opened under supervision to begin unloading at the distribution center.
Bundles are unloaded carefully to maintain condition and traceability at the distribution hub. Unloaded lumber is staged inbound for sorting and final allocation. Inbound inspections confirm quantities and condition before final distribution. Bundles are reslotted to match regional distribution requirements. Distribution systems break bulk bundles into order-ready groups for retail fulfillment. Retail-sized bundles are rewrapped to protect lumber through final delivery stages. Retail labels are applied to ensure accurate identification through the final supply chain. Final weight verification ensures retail bundles meet handling and transport limits.
Retail bundles are sorted automatically according to their final delivery destinations.
Retail orders are staged by destination to streamline final shipping. Retail delivery vehicles dock to collect lumber for final store delivery.
Retail bundles are loaded carefully to preserve quality through final delivery.
Retail loads are secured and sealed to protect lumber during last-mile delivery. The final delivery phase begins as lumber leaves the distribution center. The shipment reaches the retail location,
ready for final unloading and shelf preparation.
The truck is secured at the retail dock to begin safe unloading operations.
Retail staff verify deliveries to ensure accuracy before store-level handling. Verified lumber is moved from receiving into the retail storage and display area. Lumber is placed onto retail racks where customers can safely access it.
Clear shelf labeling prepares lumber for accurate pricing and customer selection.
The display is checked one final time to ensure safety, clarity, and accessibility.
After extensive processing and logistics, the lumber is now ready for purchase.
From raw forest logs to store-ready boards, the wood processing journey is complete.